Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Cameo apples. These apples were discovered, just found in an orchard in Washington State in the 1980s. They are now grown across the country, but most commercial productions are still in Washington State. They're believed to be relatives of red delicious and golden delicious apples. So they were not purposely bred. This was something that happened through the activity of bees, which is wonderful. About the characteristics of Cameo apples, they have a thin, delicate skin. The flesh is dense and creamy white to yellow in color. It's crisp and it's juicy, and it has a bright, almost citrus-like flavor with little notes of honey in there. The flavor is considered to be the perfect balance between sweet and tart. And interestingly, unlike a lot of apples, but like a few other out there, they don't brown very quickly when they are cut. So this is a wonderful property for an apple to have. Regarding the best uses for Cameo apples, since they don't brown very quickly after being cut, they're ideal for fresh uses, fresh applications, like not only just eating them as a snack and cutting them up and putting them on salads, but you can cut them up early and put them on an appetizer tray or something like that. When you have guests coming over, you can cut them up and not have to worry about them turning brown. Their texture does hold up well when they're cooked, and the sweetness is actually enhanced when it's cooked, which is different than a lot of other apples. And so they are excellent in pies and crisps and cobblers and other cooked desserts like that. And the Cameo apples are also excellent when used in savory applications like in a quiche or polenta or other such dishes. They pair well with squash, bacon, pears, and flavorful cheeses like goat cheese, cheddar cheese, and ricotta cheese. And they can even be used as a pizza topping. How about that? Well, do try Cameo apples when you have an opportunity, when you see them in the store. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.